Hello everyone, welcome back to my dormitory cooking video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to cook a creative beef stir fry. Okay, let's get started. The ingredients are included: green chili, garlic, ginger, onion, beef, potato, tomato, eggs, and cucumber. First of all, as usual, just cutting everything in portions. And today I'm going to cook 3 dishes, which is first, stir-fry beef, second, a salad, and third, stir-fried rice. So why it's called a creative stir-fry beef? You can see later on, and then you will know what I mean. Actually, cutting process always taking the longest time. However, if the more practice you have, the better knife skills you will get. I don't have a brilliant knife skill, but actually I can cut very fast. So I don't spend so much time on preparing food. So I can focus on the cooking part. There is a tip I would like to share with you for speedy cutting. That is, don't focus on every single detail items you are doing, but focus on the group of food. For example, you want to cut a group of 3 to 5 garlic, and then you just thinking that you want to finish all this in 2 minutes, and then your brain will follow your action, and then the speedy cutting skill you will learn. When you cut the onion, lots of people struggle that they will cry every time. But what I did is, if you can just peel off the skin of onion, and then you put into the cold water for like 5 minutes, and then take it out, then cut, and then that will reduce the uncomfortable feeling. Okay, that's all done for the cutting part. So looks pretty nice, I think. Okay, let's get back to the kitchen. These are the seasonings we are going to use for today's cooking. So from the kalaka-wise, the first one is the frozen vegetables. Second is the preserved potatoes I bought from Woolworths. Third is the salt. Fourth, mirin. Fifth, chicken powder. Sixth, cooking wine. Seventh, chicken powder. Eighth, the Taiwanese barbecue sauce. Ninth is the mashed garlic. 10th is the rice which I cooked from yesterday, and the last one is the Japanese seasoning sauce, which is the sauce especially for the fried rice. Last but not the least, I forgot to tell you, is the soy sauce. Now we are doing the seasoning the salad. So I add salt, the chili powder, and the brown sugar because I don't have a white sugar. So I use the brown sugar instead. And last is the using the vinegar. And then you just stir evenly until all the seasonings are evenly mixed. And then you just put it aside and let it absorbing. Now we are cooking the creative beef stir fry. Let me tell you why it's called creative beef stir fry. Because I add preserved potatoes. I feel that the taste is not so bad, to add those two things together. Because the preserved potato I bought from the frozen one, I bought from the supermarket, which is already got a little bit salt in there. And then the salty flavor with the beef, and then you stir fry them together, is really got a creative taste. Now we are about to finish our creative beef stir fry. So last but not the least, we are going to cook rice. There is a tip to share with you guys, which is always use overnight cold rice. Cold rice will do to make a stir fry. Rice much better flavor. If you found the rice is a little bit hard, just add a little bit water, not too much though. Now we are about to finish our stir-fry rice. See, the rice is become very grain clear. So it's the secrets of making the perfect stir-fry rice. Is each grain are very clear. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Just remember to turn on the notification bell so you will get my latest videos every time. Well, good night. See you next time. Bye.